نحن we're here tonight to support أكيد all of our friends, all the contestants, but we're proud to say that نحن we're on Hamza's team, right?
Of course.
Naturally, not because only he's our teammate, but come in because I think he deserves it most, and I really, really hope he does win. Of course, I'll be happy for either of them. If it were Hind, Hamza, or the five. We love them all, and we respect what they're doing, each and every one of them. Our week off has been relaxing, a much needed relaxing time. And yeah, we're just happy to be here to support our friends, to finally see the show from a different perspective. Usually we're up on stage performing the show, and now we can finally sit in the audience and appreciate it. So yeah, it should be a good night.
Hamza, go. Just go.